Expand the versatility of your Lee D-Series jig with the Lee Isolock templates. Lee Isolock templates produce 6 beautifully organic joint styles that are strong, functional, distinctively attractive, and very unique. Add a little imagination to create stunning shadows, inlays, and offset joints. By replacing the dovetail finger assembly with one of the 3 Isolock templates, you're ready to produce some very creative joinery. For more information on these and other Lee products, visit leetools.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.